Hello everyone and welcome to our day one math lesson. This week we are going to begin talking about chapter 18, which is very similar to chapter 17 where we did addition sentences, but this time we're going to be talking about subtraction sentences and subtraction stories. So today we're specifically going to talk about subtraction sentences. And something that's really important to remember is that subtraction means takeaway. So we're taking something away to figure out how many are left. So if you're looking at the screen right now, you're going to see a picture. So just take a second, look at the picture, and think of some things that you're noticing. I can see I'm noticing that there are some children in the picture. I'm noticing some spiders, some bananas. I see some apples up in the trees. I'm also seeing some spiders hanging from the trees. Okay, I'm seeing some, it looks like porridge over here. All right, so as you're looking at the picture, I want you to be thinking about what kinds of subtraction stories can we tell about this picture, and what number sentences are going to match the stories that we tell. So I'm going to focus first on looking at the children. How many children do you see? I see 1, 2, 3. So when you're looking at the children, I see this girl right here, and then I see 2 boys that are running away. So there's 3 children here, but 2 of them are running away. So I'm wondering, if there's 3 children, 2 are running away, so there's those 2 guys, they're running away. How many are left? That's what we're going to be trying to figure out with our subtraction sentences. So my number sentence for this picture about the children, I started with 3. In subtraction, you start with a bigger number, okay? So I had 1, 2, 3 kids to start with, but then I'm going to take away 2 because 2 of those children ran away, and I marked them right here and right here. So 3 minus 2, or 3 take away 2, equals, and that number is going to be how many are left. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. There's 1 child left. Okay, so that is what you're going to be doing in this chapter, and when we go to the workbook pages that follow this video, you're going to be practicing making some number sentences on your own. So I'm going to look at one more. Let's take a look here at the apples. There they are. And I'm going to count how many apples there are. Okay, so remember, you start with how many there are all together. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm starting with 6 apples. And it looks like most of these apples are in the tree except for this one down here that fell on the monkey's head. All right, so the rest are still up there. I'm only taking away 1. So I'm going to do my subtraction symbol for take away or minus, and I'm going to take away 1 because there's 1 apple that fell. The rest are still in the tree. So now that I've taken away this one, I need to figure out what 6 minus 1 equals. Okay, and I'm going to do that by looking at how many apples are left. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals, down and around, put a hat on top, and look what you found, 5. All right, so now it's your turn to go ahead and practice some of these subtraction sentences on your own in your workbook pages.